Hello students, now we are going to start our lecture number 9. It's a continuity of our last lecture, lecture number 8, which was about SEO, and here some more topics are covered. In this lecture we shall learn SEO based content writing, SEO terms and suggestions, SEO goals, ranking factors, how to use keywords, SEO copywriting tips, social media content. So let's start our lecture. SEO based content writing. SEO based content writing means to put your keywords and key phrases in website content. Its purpose is to increase your website visibility in search engine results. There are two types of SEO techniques: on-page SEO, off-page SEO. SEO terms and suggestions. Keywords, long-tail keywords. It means a string of 3 to 6 words long. SERPs, search engine results page. This list shows exact position of your keyword. Anchor text. These phrases or keywords are hyperlinked, directing traffic to your web pages. Meta description. It is short summary of a web page displayed in SERPs. The size of this description is mostly 160 characters. Title tag. Title of a web page that appears as text in browser tabs and in the Google SER. Its length should be 70 characters or less. There should be separate title tag for each of the pages. Search queries. These are the words or phrases people type in search engines to make search. Search volume. It means how many times a term is searched in a month. Click-through rate, percentage of clicks. Conversion rate. It is the ratio of people who took action divided by the total number of visitors of that page. Organic traffic. It shows the number of people who visited your website through search engines with free will, not by paid ads. Ranking factors. These components are considered by search engine algorithm to decide which page should rank higher. Backlink. It's a hyperlink that directs traffic to a web page. Page and domain authority. It shows the authority of a page or website from 1 to 100. Page views. How many times a web page is viewed. Page views per session. It means how many web pages a visitor visited in one session by a user leaving the site entirely. Organic keyword difficulty. It shows the level of ease or difficulty of a keyword in algorithm search in organic search from 1 to 100. Always use H1 header 1 tag for a page and try to include a primary keyword. The description of alt tag should match the image and should not exceed 1 to 5 characters. SEO goals. A writer should understand the goals clearly. They should be measurable and achievable. Following metrics are commonly measured: click-through rate, organic traffic, conversion rate, backlinks, dwell time, SERP position, domain or page authority, opportunity of organic keywords, page views per session, ranking factors. There are many factors that contribute to your website ranking. It's important to know these ranking factors Google looks at. There are 200 factors, but 10 most common of them are given below. Content quality. The writing should be accurate and relevant. Backlinks. Do other sites link to your content? HTTPS shows that your site is secure. User experience. Is your content valuable and engaging? Mobile first. The website should be optimized for mobile screens. Page speed. How much time is taken by your web page in loading? Direct traffic. Do your visitors come directly or through Google? Content depth. Is your content comprehensive or not? Behavioral signals. Reaction of people on your content. Do they share or comment? Schema. Is your web content understandable by search engines? How to use keywords. In past, writers used to repeat keywords in their content again and again. The use of keywords in the content is called keyword density. The writer should write for the end user, not for the search engines. The algorithm of Google is getting smarter and smarter. The writer has to cover the topic and related information in details. The stuffing of keyword in every other sentence will disturb the flow of the article. SEO copywriting tips. Know your audience requirements to write accordingly. Use keywords in metadata, page title, header tags, and anchor text for effective results. The paragraphs should be short, having only a few sentences. Leave white spaces, allowing the reader to scan the content. Provide link back to websites that have high domain authority. Put internal link only when required and relevant. Provide data that supports your claim. The images should be embedded to support your claim. The search queries behave like article titles. Always cover a topic comprehensively. Social media content. Digital marketing has become the soul of every business. It is very effective with useful social media content. A large number of people are using different types of social media. You can create effective content to promote your marketing campaigns. Here are guidelines to make your social media content interesting and effective. A writer should post daily or weekly to engage the audience. He can offer gifts or contests for the audience. The writer should share relevant content. He can use videos and pictures to get attention. You can create a tutorial for your audience. A writer can share his achievements with the audience. Don't forget to enter in trending topics. You can ask your readers for advice, congratulate celebrities or other personalities on their milestones or achievements. Thank you. This was our lecture number 9.